What's up, everyone? How's it going today? I'm headed over to the flippin' Patties car meet. There should be some really nice rides here. Last time I went, there was some really exotic cars, as well as just a lot of really unique and custom builds. So looking forward to it, and I'll update you once I get there. Cruising back home now. The meet was pretty good. It wasn't as big of a turnout as the last time I had posted, but there was a couple really nice cars there. There's really good Evo that was out there, the blue one, as well as a nice Supra. So I wasn't let down coming out, and it's always good just hanging out with friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.